Hey there, fellow shoppers. If you're a Costco member looking to make your grocery runs even easier with Instacart in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to link your Costco membership to Instacart, so you can enjoy exclusive deals, faster delivery, and all the perks without the hassle. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need an active Costco membership and an existing Instacart account. If you don't have Instacart yet, download the app or head to their website and sign up. It's quick and free. Step 1. Open the Instacart app on your phone or log in on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this by tapping the profile icon in the top corner. Next, look for the Memberships or Shop with Memberships section. This is where the magic happens. Click on it, and you'll see an option to add a new membership. Select Costco from the list. Instacart has partnered with them for seamless integration in 2025. Now, enter your Costco membership details. You'll need to input your membership number, which you can find on your Costco card, and possibly verify your email or phone number. Don't worry, this is secure and only takes a minute. After that, Instacart will verify your membership. You might get a confirmation email or a quick prompt in the app. Once it's confirmed, you're all set. Your Costco benefits, like lower delivery fees and access to warehouse prices, will now apply to your Instacart orders. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, double-check that your Costco membership is current and try logging out and back into Instacart. And remember, this feature is designed to save you time and money, so start browsing those Costco aisles virtually. There you have it. That's how you add your Costco membership to Instacart in 2025. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy shopping!